In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer images on Google Slides. This will help you create more visually appealing presentations by managing how images and text interact with each other. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser. If you're using Chrome, you will see the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of your screen. This icon typically looks like a grid of dots. Clicking on it will reveal a menu of Google's applications, making it easy to find and access Google Slides. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything you will do next in your presentation. Next, click on Slides. This action will take you to the Google Slides homepage where you can access all your presentations. You will see your recent presentations listed here, along with options to create a new one. This is an essential step as it leads you directly to your workspace for layering images, allowing you to focus on your design. Now, let's open your presentation in Google Slides. Navigate to the presentation you want to work on by clicking on its name. Once opened, you will see the slides on the left and your main editing area on the right. This is important because it ensures you are working on the correct document where you can manipulate images effectively. After that, right-click the image you want to reposition. A context menu will appear, giving you several options to choose from. This action allows you to directly interact with the image and access the tools you need to change its position in your layout. It's a simple click, but it opens up a world of possibilities for how your images can interact with each other. Next, hover your cursor over Order in the context menu. You will see a drop-down list appear, offering you several options to adjust the layering of your image. This step is essential because it allows you to choose how you want your selected image to interact with others in the presentation, ensuring the right visuals are highlighted. Now you can select one of the 4 stacking options. Each option serves a specific purpose for managing your images. Understanding these options is key to creating a visually balanced slide. This selection process will guide the arrangement of your images and text, making your presentation more effective. The first option to consider is Bring to Front. This moves the graphic to the very top layer, placing it above all other text and images. This is particularly useful when you want to emphasize an important image that needs to stand out. Using this option can make a significant difference in drawing attention to crucial elements in your presentation. The next option is Bring Forward. This shifts the image up by exactly 1 layer. If an image is partially obscured by another, this option is a quick way to enhance its visibility. It's a small but powerful adjustment that can improve the overall look of your slide. Moving on, we have the option Send Backward. This action shifts the image down by exactly 1 layer. If you find that an image is blocking important text or graphics, this is the perfect choice to create a better flow in your design. It helps maintain a clean and organized look in your presentation. Lastly, there's Send to Back. This option moves the graphic to the very bottom layer, placing it behind all text and other objects. Use this when you want to create a background image that enhances your slide without interfering with the main content. This technique is essential for creating depth in your presentations. With these steps, you now have the tools to layer images effectively in Google Slides. Take your time experimenting with these options to see how they can enhance your presentations. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your next project.